Newsletter, Al-Mawrid US. April 2025. Ramadan transmission of Ghamidi Center. During the month of Ramadan, Ghamidi Center organized special broadcasts in which programs on various religious, moral, and educational topics were aired. These programs were presented by Mr. Javed Ahmed Ghamidi and his various students. Most of the topics in these programs were related to the month of Ramadan and the worship of fasting. The recordings of all these programs are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Audio version of Maulana Maududi's translation of the Quran. Ghamidi Center has published the audio version of the world-renowned translation of the Quran by the distinguished Islamic scholar, thinker, Quranic exegete, and founder of Jamaat-e Islami, Sayyid Abul Maududi, on its YouTube channel. This translation has been recorded in the pleasant voice of Mr. Arshad Mahmood. During Ramadan, the audio of one juz of this translation was aired daily on the organization's YouTube channel. The complete audio of this Quranic translation is available on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Launch of monthly Ishraq, Bangladesh. Ghamidi Center has decided to publish the monthly Ishraq US in the Bengali language for the people of Bangladesh, following its editions in Urdu, Arabic, and English. Accordingly, the first issue was released in March 2025. This is a part of the effort to spread the light of Farahi thought throughout the world. It is being published under the patronage of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. Maulana Omar Farooq is the editor, while Mr. Muhammad Hassan Elias is the managing editor. This issue, a session with Abu Sa'id Islahi, son of Maulana Islahi. Mr. Naeem Baluch is working under the platform of Ghamidi Center on the biography of Maulana Amin Ahsan Islahi titled Hayati Amin. In this regard, he met Maulana's son, Abu Sa'id Islahi, and Maulana's grandson, Abu Sohaib Islahi. In this conversation, both gentlemen shared many aspects of Maulana's life with Mr. Naeem Baluch. This interview can be viewed on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Lectures on Hadiths related to Ramadan. During the month of Ramadan, Ghamidi Center aired recordings on its YouTube channel of lectures on Hadiths related to Ramadan, in which Javed Ahmed Ghamidi, in light of the Hadiths from Kitab al-Sawm of Mishkat al-Masabi, discussed the virtues and rulings of fasting, as well as Layla al-Qad, making up missed fasts, fasting for travelers, and various related juristic issues. The recordings of these lecture sessions can be viewed on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Live question and answer sessions with scholars of Ghamidi Center. In March 2025, Ghamidi Center organized various live question and answer programs with its scholars, in which people asked questions of religious, moral, and Ramadan-related juristic nature. The scholars who hosted these question and answer programs were Dr. Amar Khan Nazir, Dr. Khalid Zahir, Muhammad Hassan Elias, Dr. Amir Gazder, and Dr. Irfan Shatzab. Recordings of these programs are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Safar Dar Safar. Safar Dar Safar is a regular series by Ghamidi Center. It presents the life stories and intellectual journeys of scholars and talented individuals to viewers. Last month, as part of this series, Mr. Naeem Baluch interviewed Rehan Ahmed Yusufi, head of the organization, Inzar, a renowned intellectual and writer. The interview discussed his intellectual journey and key milestones in life. Furthermore, they discussed his current project Insan Ki Kahani. In response to one question, he told Mr. Naeem Baluch how he was influenced by Farahi thought in his intellectual journey and how he found relief from all doubts of mind and heart. The recording of this interview is available on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Yade. Ghamidi Center has launched a new series titled Yade, the aim of which is to document important events in the history of Al-Mawrid and to present memories from 40 years ago to viewers. This program is hosted by Ghazal Chaudhry, while Dr. Khalid Zahir, an early student of the School of Islamic Thought, Al-Mawrid, and Mr. Naeem Baluch participate as guests. In March 2025, 2 episodes from this series were aired on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. What are the pitfalls of fasting for women? During the month of Ramadan, on the women's YouTube channel, Solihat, run under the auspices of Ghamidi Center, a 3-part program was recorded titled, What are the Pitfalls of Fasting for Women? Mr. Naeem Baluch hosted this program, while Miss Noreen Sheikh participated as a guest. Mr. Naeem Baluch pointed out issues specifically faced by women during Ramadan, and Miss Noreen Sheikh discussed these issues in depth and drew the attention of women to important matters. Safar Dar Safar, with Moeez Amjad. Last month, in the ongoing Safar Dar Safar series hosted by Ghamidi Center, Mr. Moeez Amjad participated as a guest. He recorded programs on various moral and scholarly topics. A few of the main subjects discussed in these programs include problems of Pakistan's education system, the Khanka, a life of faith, and parents and children. These programs can be viewed on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Stories of the Prophets. In Ghamidi Center's special Ramadan broadcasts, arrangements were made for children to hear the stories of the prophets. As part of this, the stories of Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Musa, peace be upon them, were narrated. This series is being aired under the title, Stories of the Prophets. These stories are based on the research and writing of Mr. Naeem Baluch and are narrated in his voice. Daniel Naeem hosts the series. He asks Mr. Naeem Baluch about the un-Quranic elements commonly found in stories of the prophets, and Mr. Naeem Baluch responds to these questions. The recordings of these stories can be viewed on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Iftar gathering at Ghamidi Center. During the month of Ramadan, a weekly iftar gathering was arranged at Ghamidi Center by various friends, in which dozens of individuals participated, along with Javed Ahmed Ghamidi and Ahsan Elias, who joined with their families. During dinner after iftar, participants engaged in conversations with Javed Ahmed Ghamidi and Ahsan Elias on various topics. Amr bil Maruf and Nahi Anil Munkar. Under the ongoing 23 Objections video series hosted by Ghamidi Center, the theme, Islam and the State, is under discussion. In the sessions held in March 2025, verses from the Quran containing the terms Amr bil Maruf and Nahi Anil Munkar were discussed. Javed Ahmed Ghamidi explained these verses and defined the terms Maruf and Munkar. Moreover, he clarified that the commands and prohibitions of the Sharia are distinct from those of morality, and that Amr bil Maruf and Nahi Anil Munkar are part of the requisites of faith. The recordings of these sessions can be viewed on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. The purpose of the commands of Sharia. In this article, Manzoor Hassan, editor of Islamic US, explains the purpose of the commands of Sharia by discussing the reason behind man's creation and the method appointed by God for attaining that purpose. He writes that man's ultimate goal is paradise, and the divinely appointed path to it is Tazkiyah al-Nafs. Thus, the end and objective of religion is Tazkiyah. The set of divine commands issued to achieve this are termed Sharia, which comprises 4 elements. Acts of worship, purification of the body, purification of character, and purification of food and drink. This article can be read in the March 2025 issue of Islamic US. Question and answer with Ahsan Elias. Muhammad Ahsan Elias, Director of Research and Communication at Ghamidi Center, has started a series titled Ask Ahsan Elias in collaboration with the popular YouTube channel, Muslim Today. This question and answer-based program features Ahsan Elias answering scholarly, intellectual, and religious questions asked by viewers. In the past month, topics such as the arrival of Ramadan, miracles and magic, human nature, evolution, the method of scholarly disagreement, taqlid, and Adamah-i-Hujjat were discussed. The recordings are available on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Tafhim al-Athar series. Under the ongoing Tafhim al-Athar series at Ghamidi Center, verses and hadiths related to Ramadan were studied during March 2025. The sessions held last month included discussions on topics such as revelation of the Quran in Ramadan, the first revelation event, Qiyam al-Layl, and Taraweeh, and Layla al-Qadran, Etikaf. The recordings of these sessions can be viewed on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Quran for Ramadan. In March 2025, in honor of Ramadan, Dr. Shehzad Salim's program Quran for Ramadan was broadcast daily on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. In this program, Shehzad Salim spoke on selected passages from the Quran. The program is in English, and its recordings are available on the YouTube channel. Ghamidi Center's online Conca. The ongoing online Conca series hosted by Ghamidi Center continues. Mr. Moez Amjad holds weekly sessions from the perspective of spiritual self-reform, in which various topics relating to moral and spiritual development are discussed, and questions from participants are answered. In the sessions held last month, important topics such as conscience, willpower, the coming of Ramadan, self-control, and human aesthetic sense were discussed. These sessions are available on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Hayati Amin. In the latest episode of Hayati Amin, Mr. Naeem Ahmad Baluch discussed the post-independence differences between Jamaat-e Islami and the government of Pakistan and the reasons behind them. He also mentioned an event in which Mahatma Gandhi participated in Jamaat-e Islami's public gathering in Patna, and Maulana Islahi delivered his famous speech, which was misreported by Congress newspapers, leading to serious misunderstandings between the Muslim League and Jamaat-e Islami. This article is available in the March 2025 issue of Ishraq America. Ilmo Hikmat, with Ghamidi. In the weekly Ilmo Hikmat program aired on Dunya News during March 2025, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi discussed important topics such as purpose of worship, obligatory and optional acts in prayer, and Islam and worship. Some of the key questions addressed in the program included: what is the ruling on worship done out of fear of sin and punishment? Why does one feel disconnected during acts of worship? Under what conditions can two prayers be combined? And, is turning the face to both sides for salam an essential part of prayer? The recordings are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Issuance of fatwas based on religious opinions. In matters related to the legal applications of Sharia, people frequently contact Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning, US. They seek applied religious opinions on issues such as marriage and divorce, inheritance, and various other financial and social matters. Last month, 2 fatwas were issued in response to such queries. These fatwas were issued by Ahsan Elias in light of the thought of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. English summary of the 23 Objections video series. Dr. Shehzad Salim is presenting summaries of all the topics discussed so far in the 23 Objections video series in English. In the past month, he recorded 2 lectures summarizing the topics religion and human nature, and consensus discussed in the series. The recordings of these programs are available on Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel.